Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how we can control LED using Blynk app. I'll share you this code file and this document file which have instructions for everything. So first we need to go to Chrome and we need to type on blynk.io. Click on it. So if you are a first time user, just click on sign up and you can sign up with your email ID. I already have an account, so I just logged in. Yeah, so this will be the interface first we'll be working on. First we need to go to developer zone, click on my templates and create a new template, and here I will be naming my project as home automation series. And hardware we are using ESP8266, which is NodeMCU, and connection time will be Wi-Fi, and just click on done. So here now click on data stream, click on new data stream, click on virtual pin. So here we are using virtual pin 1, and that's it. You can click here green, so the button will look like in green color. Create. Now you successfully created a data stream. Now click on web dashboard, drag and drop this switch icon here, and click on setting, and you can name this switch as LED, and you can choose the data stream which previously we created one, and that's it. Click on save, and click on save. Now you have to come to device and click on new device from template, home automation series, same as device name. So click on create. Now you can see that our device is offline, so now we have to do coding part. So jump back into coding part, uh, click on the code which I've given to you. That's it. So come back here. So here you can see that uh, code template and template name. Come back to code and just copy paste here. And again, just click on the token, copy and paste it in the code right here. And here you need to enter your Wi-Fi name and here Wi-Fi password. Now we are ready to upload the code. Yeah, before uploading the code, just confirm the instruction code. Just copy this, copy, and go to files, preference, and copy and paste here. Click on OK. So the packages will be downloading. Now go to tools, board manager, and you can type ESP8266, and you have to install this by ESP8266 community. Now we are good to go. Now click on ESP8266 and here NodeMCU 1.0, and click on the port. You can also check the port right here, device manager, and ports. You can see port COM6, and we need to upload the code. Let's wait for the code to be uploaded. You can see that it's getting uploaded. make sure that your internet is turned on, like your mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi is turned on before uploading the code. You can see that it's uploaded, done, and go back to the once refresh, you can see that our device is online. I'll show you like whether our device is working or not. Let's click on on. Our LED should be turning on. Let's turn off. LED is off. Turn on. LED is on. Turn off. Turn on. Now we are good to go. Now we have to work on the mobile app. Open Blynk app. Click on setting. Open home automation template. Click on plus icon. Select on button. Resize the button. Now click on the button. Select the data stream. Select the previous integer v1. Now the push button mode will be switched. Now go back, go back, go back. Now you can see that when you are turning on or off, LED is on. Now when you turn off, the LED is off. When you are turning on, LED is on. When you are turning it off, again it is turning off, on, off.